Hi guys and dolls, ready for a makeup tutorial for show makeup. Okay, as always, start with the base. I'm using a thicker one called Double Wear, so it stays on longer. I used this when I was on the cruise ships. Didn't sweat off as much, that's why. But there's lots of other brands to use. Make sure you get a good one. You can also use different makeup brushes to put it on. I just use my fingers for quickness, as usual. Don't worry too much near your eyes because you'll be putting my makeup on anyway. I just don't want to look tired. Haha. Okay, I think that's all on. Fantastic. Still look tired. Okay, next I like to use a powder, a bronzer, whatever you've got. Because you do want to be a little darker for the stage. White lights bring out more whiteness from your face, so just a little bit darker. Push it around. Make sure you're even, not orange in one place. Okay, I like to just do blusher next. Again, you can use a brush, you can use your fingers, whatever you've got in the house. Try not to go right towards your nose area. Try and go halfway and then up the cheekbone. And you can go quite far out to make a longer line. Okay, so not too far in, just a little bit out. Cheekbone, there's my cheekbone, and then push it all the way up and out. And try and get a bit of colour on there so you can see it again with the lights. But I know some of us will be warm on stage anyway, so we'll get rosy cheeks. Again, start not too close to the centre, but halfway out, and then up the cheekbone. Easy. Nice. Next is your eyes. Okay, so for stage makeup I like to go for a white and a brown. Obviously depending on what Heather's got in store. For the show, brown and white, black and white, normals. Okay. Yes, so white for me. Get some on my brush. I like to start from the inside. Make your way up that curve of your own eye. So inside, curve, and along the top. Inside. Just make sure your eyes look bigger. Okay. And the other side. and around the inside of your eye. Okay, so inside of your eye, a little bit below, a little bit across. So just covering around 1/8, 1/6 of the eye on the inside. Okay, making your circle. And then I like to do a little bit underneath here to create a line. So you've got like a triangle here. Does that make sense? So you've done from underneath. This is like your eyeliner line to go up. Just kind of like a benchmark for you. So you know where you're going. So you meet like your two triangles together like that. So from underneath, you go straight up. And you get your triangle from the top anyway. Okay? Let me just check in my own mirror. Okie dokie, so yeah. On the top, I like to have a really thick white, but I'm used to very strong lights on stage. You might not need as much. You can always start little and then keep building. Because if you have too much, then you have to take it off. Always start little and then keep building it, yeah? Okay, same with brown now though. For brown, you're just going to cover the top of your eyelid. Not all the way on the inside because you're just undoing all the white you've just put on. So from the inside, don't cover too close. I would say, trying to look in my own mirror, tad difficult. And then make it, again, a curve of the top part of your eye. So, let me just try and show you. Okay, so you're going to go a circle. Can't see on the moment. Let me move my camera aside. Oh, looks like a black eye. Okay, yeah. So circle right at the top, over the top, down it goes. Even it out. Now this side, you want to try and use that triangle as your filler. So you go down the triangle line and then up the triangle line. Like that. So you've got like a wing effect already with your eyeshadow. Which then will also use for your eyeliner. Okay, so you've got like your little wing. Okay, again on the other side. So not too close to your eye. And then blend it in. If you've got different colours for the shows, depending on themed ones for like jazz or anything, I had a 60s show, so we used like greens, anything that was of that era. Just do the same effect, white on the inside and then the colour down. If you're going for more natural, you can go golden brown and then a light, like a brown, not a dark brown like this. You can go golden, like gold, and then a light brown. That will help with more of a natural look. But then you can go silvers if you're doing anything special. So we had one show on my last ship that we had to be almost like butterflies. So we had big eyes like this, big butterfly wings on our eyes. Maybe Heather can show you my quick video on that one. It was a time lapse, so nothing for me talking, it's just a video of me doing it. Okay, so done my circle. Done my triangle look here on the other side. Okay, 2 triangles. I like a little bit underneath to make it just a little bit darker. But you can also do that white underneath. Either or, both white or brown or black. My friends used to use black on stage. Okay, now it's the eyeliner. So you go on top. It doesn't matter if it's too thick because you're going to have eyelashes on top as well. So you'll need those. I like to go right in the inside of my eye too. Yeah. Good. Okay, yeah, so thinner obviously in the middle, make it a lot thicker on the outside. Here comes your lines. So you're going to use the line already used, made, because it helps. Again, little by little, because you don't want to take all this off. So little by little. So go from the bottom here and make a line up using your white eyeshadow as a guide, and then you can go under as well. I go about halfway across and I fill this bit with a bit more white because it might have come off already. So yeah, black underneath, black on top, black to make your wings. As long or as short as you prefer, depending on your eye length. If you've got short eyes, you might want to go a little longer. If you've got long eyes, you can actually make it well long. I normally like mine longer than that. But you can make it quite thick, as long as you like. As long as it matches you. You also don't have to use liquid eyeliner, you can use pencil. Yeah, it's not a problem to use whichever one you are more comfortable using. So just draw a line right across the top. Again, it doesn't matter how thick it is on top, you're going to put eyelashes on top. I also think that eyeliner gives it a base for the glue to stick onto. Get into the centre of your eye. Okay, good.